Why homeschoolers are turning to distance learning and correspondence schools. While correspondence schools used to be considered strictly post-high school, the homeschooling movement has brought the market to students of all grade levels. Whether you are new to homeschooling, looking for more structure, or seeking an accredited program, a distance learning or correspondence school can be an excellent choice. Families are turning to the option of a distance learning or correspondence school because they want higher quality education, they like the accountability, and they appreciate the ease of college admissions or entering the workforce. They appreciate that distance learning and correspondence schools allow you to study at home to get the training you need and to prepare for the future without leaving your front door. In today's hectic society, at-home learning is recognized as one of the most convenient methods of education. But why turn to a distance learning or correspondence school? Distance learning and correspondence schools often provide teacher assistance, accredited diplomas, curriculum, and other opportunities. They remove the stress involved with curriculum decisions, record keeping, state compliance, and motivation. Best of all, you still have the freedom to choose where you want to study. With online correspondence classes, you can study in the comfort of your own home. With textbook correspondence courses or a laptop, you can anywhere, at home, while traveling to and from events, even while on vacation. That's the beauty of at-home learning, it is up to you. Whether a child is in kindergarten or 12th grade, there are distance learning and correspondence schools that will provide these all-inclusive programs. For instance, one such correspondence school designed specifically for homeschoolers is Bridgeway Homeschool Academy. Enrolling students from pre-K to 12th grade, Bridgeway Academy provides distance learning and correspondence programs for students all over the world. Curriculum is delivered to the home via the Internet, UPS, or the mail, and students work at home under the direction of a Bridgeway Academy teacher, advisor. Students receive report cards, feedback, transcripts, and an accredited diploma upon graduation from this correspondence school. Bridgeway Academy also offers college courses through their distance learning correspondence school. Students take courses in high school and receive both high school and college credit. Through partnerships with a variety of colleges who offer correspondence programs, Bridgeway is way ahead of other homeschool distance learning programs. Distance learning and correspondence schools can also be an excellent starting point for post-high school individuals who are new to the job market or looking to enhance their skills. There are many private vocational or correspondence schools that train students for a variety of skilled jobs, including automotive technician, medical assistant, hairstylist, interior designer, electronics technician, paralegal, nurse's assistant, truck driver, and more. Some schools also help students identify prospective employers and apply for jobs. Check out trainingdirectusa.com, which offers both on-site and correspondence training courses to adults seeking to change or further their career. It is no secret. Distance learning and correspondence homeschool programs are here to stay. Homeschoolers who want assistance can find it in colleges, and universities are teaming up with the more reputable schools to offer dual enrollment programs. The challenge is to find the right distance learning or correspondence school for you. Questions you must ask when selecting a distance learning or correspondence school. 1. What is the reputation of the school? 2. How long has it been established? 3. Is it accredited? 4. Do they provide report cards? Transcripts? Diplomas? 5. Do they customize programs to each individual student? 6. Are they flexible? Will they allow you to determine your own daily schedule? 7. Do they have an education website? 8. How many total courses are covered in the tuition? 9. Do they charge additional fees for curriculum? Teacher services? Testing? Other? 10. How difficult is it to contact the school? 11. Do they provide school pride activities? i.e., contests, forums, blogs, etc.? 12. Do they host a graduation ceremony for graduating seniors? Distance learning and correspondence schools are a valuable resource for many homeschooling families. You cannot put a value on the peace of mind that comes with the knowledge that there is a school backing you, a teacher supporting you, and an organization accrediting you. If you are a current homeschooler or individual looking into homeschooling for the first time, I encourage you to look into a distance learning or correspondence school. They offer expertise, understanding of the current trends in homeschooling, knowledge of the various correspondence curriculum choices out there, and the desire to see homeschoolers succeed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.